This is the Mophie Powerstation GO. It's $159.95 and it's an impressive battery pack with a lot of charging options here. I'm Josh Smith with GuideMobile.com, and one thing that really stands out about this, in addition to all these charging ports you have, this can actually jumpstart your car. So you attach these leads to it, plug them in. As long as this is at 50%, it can jumpstart your car. You can even jumpstart an SUV with this thing. So that's pretty impressive. Let's take a closer look. Here you can see we have that battery connection for those leads, and then over here we have our jumpstart mode button, 2 USB-A ports. On the side we have a standard outlet, so you're going to be able to plug a laptop in there or another device if you're camping and you need power. And then if you come around to this side, we have a flashlight. So if you turn that flashlight on, it is very bright. So this is kind of the ultimate device to either keep in your car or to take camping with you. One thing that you do need to note, this does have a barrel charger, so you're going to plug that in and charge with the charger that it comes with. It doesn't recharge over USB-C or anything like that, so definitely keep that in mind. There's a lot of cool different color options. This camo is pretty cool. And then right here, you can set your phone down and it will wirelessly charge. So you have a lot of charging options built right into this, some cool color options, and the ability to jumpstart your car, which is something that I have to do more frequently than I'd like to admit. If you're interested in this, there'll be links down in the description below where you can learn more and pick one up. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.